I am now free, acquitted by court. This matter has been actually the real charge was not that I am the one who published a fake letter. The real charge was that the criminal justice system then brought a fake charge. So I have a message for one former DCI director, George Kinoti, one former PS Interior, Karanja Kibicho, former CS Interior, Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Shame on you, and shame on you. I said when I came to this court on the first day that this was just politics aimed at trying to stop a waterfall that was already going down, and it was impossible. I said to them, oh ye of little faith. Today, the court has confirmed that it was not only an unconstitutional charge that was brought here, but that system of facts cannot be stopped by arrests, however dramatic they are. They sent over 40 policemen to arrest me for a case that is actually unconstitutional. I know my lawyers have advised that we will sit down and discuss what to do with them. But I am telling them, the three of them, I will not come back to court for the criminal justice system. I'll come for them individually, the three of them. Today the court has also confirmed something else. La murder actually happened. The chair was Karanja Kibicho, and in that meeting he said they would stop William Ruto, the then deputy president, from becoming president by whatever means, including doing what they did to the former Interior CS Minister George Saitoti, which was an assassination. I repeat here today with a hashtag system of facts that Karanja Kibicho chaired a meeting where senior Mount Kenya